Hey, what's up, guys? John Erickson here, reading for the role of Dominic. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
Justine's letting me hide here. I've had a little bit too much.
Isn't the news wonderful?
She definitely deserves it.
So glad we were both invited. I've had my eyes on you the whole night.
Don't mean to be rude, but I prefer to be alone right now.
My name is Dominic Dunaway.
Are you some kind of a Taunton rep?
Among other things.
I'm already signed.
Image consultant, repair of reputations. Above all, I build careers. You go to many auditions, I bet.
I get my share.
Do you ever feel like you're falling behind?
My circle of friends has many success stories. I'm happy for them.
You have many movie star qualities.
Not sure that path is right for me.
I have a role in mind that you'd be perfect for. People would do anything to be in your position. Ow! Wow. And there she goes. I like a challenge. Damn. She's hot.